Insta360 just leaked the X6. And let's be clear, this isn't just a minor refresh, it's a complete design reset. We're talking 8K at 50 frames per second, a massive sensor upgrade, and a battery overhaul that finally fixes the biggest pain point of the X5. Here is every spec, the leak pricing, and the launch window you need to know. What's up, guys? We have full leak specs for the Insta360 X6 coming from multiple reliable sources, including retail listings and official manuals that accidentally went live. Today, I'll show you the new 1/1.1-inch sensors, those buttery smooth frame rates, and why this camera might just steal the crown from every other action cam on the market right now. First, the look. It's iconic but compact. We're looking at a shorter, stockier body that's about 5 grams lighter than the X5. It's designed to be less top-heavy and more stable on helmets and mounts. You're getting a large, high-brightness touchscreen and a button layout that's been totally reorganized to fit this tighter, more rugged frame. The big news? The sensors. We're moving to dual 1/1.1-inch sensors. That is a massive jump in surface area for better low-light performance. 8K 50 frames per second. This is the headline. It's the smoothest 8K 360 footage we've seen in a consumer cam. 4K 120 frames per second for that cinematic slow-mo reframing. Active HDR 2.0. This is going to save your highlights in those tricky sunset vlogs. This is professional-grade optics in a pocket-sized package. Under the hood, we got a next-gen processor pushing the AI reframing features. The battery? It's a 2,600 milliamp hours unit, meaning you're looking at serious runtime. And for the travel vloggers, the fast charging is the real star. 0 to 80% in about 22 minutes. You can spend more time shooting and less time tethered to a power bank. Insta360 is leaning hard into AI. With the new app 5.0, your reframing for TikTok and Reels is basically one tap. The desktop studio is also getting a massive update to handle that high bitrate 8K footage without turning your computer into a space heater. Pricing looks to be around €689, which usually maps to roughly $550 to $600 in the US market, with an Essentials bundle closer to $750. As for the launch, with FCC filings already cleared, expect the official invite to drop by late August or September. So should you wait? Wait if you want that 8K 50 frames per second for smooth action, or if you're still rocking an X3 or X4. The sensor jump is worth it. Buy the X5 if you need a camera today for a trip next week. The X5 is still an absolute beast that's not going obsolete anytime soon. Is 8K 50 frames per second enough to get you to upgrade? Or are you holding out for something else? Drop a comment below. I'm curious what you think. Hit that subscribe button for the full comparison with the GoPro Max 2 as soon as it drops. I'll see you in the next one.